Hello ValPals, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little perfect lip mix and match product review. Yesstyle sent me some fun things and we're gonna unbox them, we're gonna try them out, and I will let you know what I think. I think I can't speak properly. So this lip set is like a mix and match, so I'm assuming I can like pair them, I can like switch them around. But the first thing I personally really want to start with is the Torridon Lip Essence. So one thing I found really cool is that this is vegan, and also the reason I wanted to start with this first is because it's clear. So when you're doing a lip routine, typically you do want to have some type of moisturizing agent on first before you put on anything else. Like a chapstick, like I would say this can double as a chapstick. This contains organic jojoba oil, so that's gonna lock in the hydration on your lips before you put any other product on. Like, do you see how chapped my lips are? Like, this is bad. Also, dual purpose. You can use this right before bed and it also acts as a lip mask. This also contains a 5D ceramide complex, so this is also gonna really help lock in the moisture. I'm gonna pair this with something, but I feel like this is a perfect base. There are a few of these that I feel like would be perfect bases, but this one especially. Definitely very moisturizing. I don't know if you can tell, I like how this has a wee bit of shine. Me personally, I'm not a huge fan of matte lips. This is a really good base. I think what I want to pair this with, because it's clear, this is like perfect setting base, is some color. So I think what I want to do next is actually use this Peach C. This is supposed to be a long-lasting, blurry formula that also provides a lot of moisture and a lot of oils. So hopefully with this baby, we won't be reapplying multiple times a day, because this does look very, very dark. And I am like super, super pale. Like, look how dark that is. It's very, very dark. Ooh. Definitely use caution when you're applying this, because it definitely, like, you put it there and it's just stuck. Okay, let's see. So this is one coat. I'm kind of curious if we try 2 coats. And I'm always starting in the center just to even get like a little bit more ombre. This is definitely a vibe. I wish I did. Okay, the rest of my makeup is very, very pinky. So the rest of my makeup is definitely a fault on me. So it might, like, if you just look at my face, it might appear a little bit muddy right now. That's because I definitely did not use the right blush and whatnot to like pair with this. I am curious if we put a lip oil on top of this, because I personally really, really love glossy lips. So this one is what I'm gonna put on top. This also has the jojoba oil along with quite a few other oils. It's got almond, sunflower, macadamia nut, and it's free from any artificial coloring. It's just a very healthy gloss. I like how the applicator is like kind of curved. Why does my neck do that? Okay, so remember how soft and natural this finish looked. Also, I did not line my lips at all. So these are just my natural shape. I feel like you could really like make this pouty and stuff. Okay. Right off the bat, this is the smoothest and like lightest lip oil I've ever tried. Every other lip oil that I've tried on thus far, I even like opened a new one last night. It is very, very oily. It's very like thick. It like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, it's so thick that even like when you eat anything, it just feels like you're just swallowing lip oil. So we have our first lip combo. I'm gonna take this baby off. I really wanted to start with Some by Me. And I want to start with this one because there is SPF in it. SPF 15, and wearing SPF on your skin, on your lips, on everything is so, so important. This one has shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E to nourish your lips. Initial impression, I think this is the favorite color that I've tried so far, like my absolute favorite. I do just want to try putting the lip oil on top of this as well. I feel like finishing off any look with a lip oil is just like the way to go. This is 1000 out of 10. I love this so much. I gotta take it off now. Okay. I'm gonna start with this one, the Tomato Skin Food. So this is a jelly tint lip. I haven't used too many of these actually. I'm a little excited. So it moisturizes cracked lips, it gives a little fruity scent, and a glossy finish. Let's see. Let's try the, this is definitely a really, really pretty pink. Which is ironic because it looks very, very red. Okay. Just based on the visual appearance of this product, I was not expecting it to be as like this. Like, first of all, the product packaging is like a red. When you open it, the lip balm looks red, but when you apply it, it is this really, really, I would almost say like a magenta. I would still call this a cool tone. Like, I also think a cool tone like this definitely matches my makeup much, much better than a warm tone. Let's see how it looks with the lip oil. It enhanced the gloss. Like, it definitely looks more glossy with a little bit of lip oil. Ooh. I feel like a white one young. Like, am I wrong? All the products feel really good, feel amazing. I think this one is probably like a 10,000. This one maybe like a 9,500. Like, I really, really like this color. I just like how this applied more ombre. I'm sure I could do the same effect by just like doing it myself, but I love how this one just naturally, like the applicator just did it. Like, I didn't have to do anything. But I do really, really like this color. What do we think? Which color combination was it? Well, thank you for joining me doing my lip care today, ValPals. And let me know what you think. What was your favorite combination? And also, if you like any of these products, you want to buy them, I got a little discount for you. So you can also use an actual coupon code. But under the rewards code section, if you use ValPal321, you'll get an extra discount on your purchase. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm looking forward to chatting with more of you, and definitely leave a comment for me to reply to. Okay, bye. See you next vlog.